Is your Tesla still rocking that steering yoke? Do you want a driving view like this? Do you crave this unique driving experience? Don't just envy others, now, you can have it too. Direct integration with the factory interface, installation without any damage and no impact on the warranty. Utilize the factory airbag for worry-free safety. We provide an installation tutorial and a complete set of installation tools. No need for installation expertise. You can finish the setup in just 30 minutes. Ultraleather, still looking brand new after 100,000 km of driving. Real carbon fiber side panels, adding a touch of sporty luxury. No need for $800, no need for $600. Now, place an order on TESERY.com, and you can own it for just $409.